Hello, everyone. This is Paul Harvey with TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to give you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is going to be on dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades happen away from the public eyes, often leaving the retail traders scrambling, but not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting edge AI is going to sift through massive amounts of data and monitor both each the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market in both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. Let's go ahead and get into TradeAlgo's top pick of the day today. Today we see SMCI pop up on the very top of the trending upside of the TradeAlgo dashboard on the large cap stocks with over 155 times the institutional activity that SMCI is usually going to get. Now, there's no wonder this massive $29 billion market cap stock is going to go up 10% as a result. We're going to see exactly what time you as a TradeAlgo client would have seen SMCI on top of the dashboard, because speed and transparency are key for the traders. So we're going to look at SMCI here on the top of the trending upside of the TradeAlgo dashboard. We're going to see Super Microcomputer Technologies, SMCI, with over 1.7 times the institutional activity that it usually gets here at 9:35 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to see this 5 minutes after the market open. We're going to see SMCI pop up on the TradeAlgo dashboard. We're going to take a look at the opportunity you would have had here as a trader having access to this information at 9:35 in the morning. We're going to go down here and we'll immediately see the volume that TradeAlgo's artificial intelligence is going to pick up. We'll see here on a 7-day average, SMCI is doing about $3.27 billion. Today, and today alone, they did $5.09 billion, almost double what they're going to do on a 7-day average. We'll go ahead here and look at the call contracts on SMCI for this week's expiration. You guys are going to see that each and every one of these is going to have a triple-digit return. So even grabbing just one of these contracts here, doing $1,000 on one of these contracts and going ahead and getting in here at 9:35 in the morning, right when TradeAlgo is going to know, and taking this thing all the way up to the top of the day here, you guys are making up to 800%, but it's not all about grabbing all 833%. What it's about is being consistent. What you guys want to do is at least find this, even if you had a lunch break and took this through the market day, even from lunchtime, and making a quick 156%. You guys are able to find a consistent strategy in the market utilizing this next generation of technology. We'll go right back here to the dashboard to show you guys the other end of the equation today. We're going to go right here to back to the top of the TradeAlgo trending downside of the dashboard, making it very easy for you guys. If you guys are just going to stick to the top of the dashboard, you're going to see ALGN pop up here with over 487 times the institutional activity that it is usually going to get. You're going to see the performance here, this stock dropping up to 9%, the underlying asset for ALGN dropping a massive 9% on a huge $20 billion market cap. You know that volume's not coming from the retail investor. It has to be coming from the big banks, institutions, and hedge funds that can control it. We're going to go right here to ALGN. We're going to see exactly what time TradeAlgo is going to recognize ALGN and put it on top of the dashboard. That way you guys have access to this information. It's all about speed and transparency. So we're going to go to ALGN here on the trending downside of the dashboard. We're going to see exactly what time TradeAlgo is going to recognize it. We see here at 9:35 in the morning, ALGN doing 8,276 times the institutional activity that it's usually going to do. Now, there's no wonder this stock is going to drop 9%, seeing this come in at 9:35 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. That is what it's all about, getting in early, getting in before the news. When these banks get in, we're going to go down here and see the opportunity you would have had as a TradeAlgo client. You're going to see here that today ALGN did about $598 million, over $500 million, and on a 7-day average, they're only doing about $115 million. So when you see this much growth on the average volume, you know you want to take advantage of this. And the retail investor, these opportunities for the puts will be unmatched, being TradeAlgo clients. You can see here all of them, except for one contract going over a triple-digit return. We're going to get right into this. 2 contracts, actually. We're going to get right into exactly when you would have gone in using this next generation of artificial intelligence right here at market open. So this is 9:30 in the morning. We'll go out, even if you guys would have got in 20 minutes after the fact and kept this. You guys are still absolutely crushing the market, making a quick 94% at the end of the day. But at the peak of this, I'm absolutely crushing and making a 300% return. Even staying in for 15 minutes and making 106%. So we're going to make it very easy for you guys to find these opportunities. That way you aren't scanning through the market. We're going to do the heavy lifting for you. We're going to implement our artificial intelligence and our proprietary software. That way you guys don't have to chase stocks. Thank you very much. We're going to see you guys tomorrow.